Welcome back, Crammers. Question 16. Three subsets are given. Complete the Venn diagram for this information. The point at which A and B intersect is simply what's common between the two. So we can see that A has 2, B has 2, A has 3, but B does not have B. A has 7, B has 7, A has 8, and B has 8, and there are no more common factors. So we simply write 2, 7, and 8. Now we simply write everything that's inside A, but not inside B. So we have 3, 3, and 9. Now we write everything that's in B, but not in A. So we simply have 1, 4, 5, and 10. Now, do not forget that there is a subset outside of A and B. So we simply cross out everything that we found in A and B already. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, we have 5. We do not have 6. We have 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that means we simply write 6 here. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.